How to win at golf, tips for success. The power of your swing is an important part of playing a great game of golf. There are many ways to increase power and make the ball fly further. Using a few simple tips and tricks, you can increase the power of your swing and get lower scores on the course consistently. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you are gripping the club correctly. This is incredibly important because it is one of the easiest problems to fix, if your shot is suffering. Make sure that you match up your grip on the club with how your hands hang naturally at your side. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you do what you do in practice on the course. This is critical because good practice will result in good play and vice versa. If you fool around during practice, then you will only hurt your form. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to know the names for each type of score per hole. This way you will know what you are talking about when playing and talking about golf. A score of 1 under par is a birdie, and 2 under is an eagle. Each score over par is considered a bogey. Golfing is a fun and easy sport. It gets you outside and keeps you active. That is why people young and old can play the sport, and you can too. Just stick with it. You will not be any good at first, but that is okay. You may get embarrassed because your swing is different than others, or you take longer, but don't. You are out there to have fun and challenge yourself, remember that. As noted above, there are many different ways that making some adjustments can lead to a more powerful game. When used and practiced in a consistent manner, you can get the ball to not only fly off the tee further, but from the fairways, bunkers, and rough in a consistent manner. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.